exploring the phenomenon of the Belgian Wave UFO sightings. For decades, reports of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, have generated fascination and debate. Some people deny the existence of alien encounters, believing them to be either fabrications or misidentified occurrences. However, others think that such experiences could be proof of extraterrestrial life coming to Earth. During the late 1980s and early 1990s, Belgium experienced a wave of UFO sightings which has become known as the Belgian Wave. This phenomenon captivated the attention of researchers and sparked much debate. Sightings of mysterious objects in the sky have long fascinated the public. This article examines the details of these sightings, the military investigations that followed, and their impact on both the scientific and public spheres. The Belgian Wave is widely recognized as one of the most remarkable and important UFO events of all time due to the sheer amount of sightings and the trustworthiness of the observers who reported them. On the 29th of November in 1989, two police officers observed a large triangular-shaped object with bright lights hovering in the sky near the town of Eupen, thus beginning the mystery. The officers reported the incident to their superiors, however it was initially not given much attention. On March 30, 1990, a Belgian Air Force pilot, Colonel Wilfried de Brouwer, witnessed a similar object to the one observed just a few months prior. He reported seeing an object with three bright white lights and a red blinking light in the center. De Brouwer was amazed and captivated by the object's remarkable speed and agility as it maneuvered with incredible ease. Reports of similar sightings soon began pouring in from all over Belgium. Witnesses reported seeing enormous triangle-shaped objects with brilliant lights soaring noiselessly through the night sky. People reported seeing mysterious objects in the sky, some of which even followed them in their cars, causing widespread fear and excitement about the phenomenon. In response to the numerous sightings and public curiosity, the Belgian military initiated an official inquiry into the UFO phenomenon. Colonel Wilfried de Brouwer, who had himself had a personal close encounter, was the leader of a program called Project Identification. The military took reports of unidentified flying objects seriously and sought to investigate if they posed any risk to national security. For a number of months, the Belgian Air Force conducted an in-depth investigation by collecting radar data, interviewing witnesses, and reviewing photographs. The results were remarkable. Radar data revealed the presence of unidentified objects in Belgian airspace with flight characteristics that exceeded those of typical aircraft. Witnesses including police officers, military personnel, and civilians provided consistent descriptions of the objects seen in the sightings, lending further credibility to the event. An incident that became particularly well known during the Belgian Wave was the F-16 chase. This event was widely reported and documented. On March 30, 1990, two Belgian Air Force F-16 fighter jets were dispatched to identify an unidentified object detected on radar. The two pilots, Major Didier Nicol and Captain Hubert Bremont, reported seeing a large, triangular object with bright lights during their flight. The F-16s put on an amazing show of agility as they attempted to pursue the unidentified flying object. No matter how hard they tried, they were unable to match the object's speed and agility. The pilots were astonished and bewildered, and the object suddenly accelerated and vanished from their sight. The Belgian Wave garnered attention and sparked the public's imagination both in Belgium and around the world. The incident of the F-16 chase of the UFO sightings, which was thoroughly investigated by the military, has piqued the curiosity of both UFO believers and skeptics alike. The Belgian Wave gained immense traction, garnering much attention from the media and becoming a significant phenomenon. On April 11, 1990, the Belgian government held a press conference to present the results of the military investigation into the UFO sightings. The Belgian authorities acknowledged that unidentified flying objects had been spotted in their airspace, and that these objects demonstrated capabilities that exceed those of any known aircraft. The researchers did not come to the conclusion that the objects they observed were of extraterrestrial origin, leaving the question as to what they were still unanswered. The Belgian wave is still a topic of fascination for UFO researchers, scientists, and the public alike. For decades, the mysterious sightings of UFOs and the military investigation that followed have intrigued those seeking answers to the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The influence of the Belgian wave can still be felt today, as the public has become more receptive to the possibility of UFO phenomena and its scientific relevance has been recognized. The exemplary investigation conducted by the military into UFO sightings set a high standard for other countries to follow, demonstrating the importance of taking such reports seriously and carrying out thorough investigations. The Belgian wave will always be remembered as an important part of our journey to uncover the secrets of the universe, as it was one of the first major sightings of UFOs and potential evidence of alien life visiting Earth. The recent reports of mysterious aircrafts being spotted over the US have sparked a military investigation, highlighting the fact that there are still many mysteries yet to be uncovered.